Building a good oral hygiene habit is essential for maintaining healthy teeth, gums, and overall well-being. Simple daily practices such as brushing teeth twice a day, flossing regularly, and visiting the dentist can help prevent cavities, gum disease, and bad breath. Developing these habits early and practicing them consistently promotes better oral health and helps create a confident and healthy smile for life. We have the dentist's code 222 for you to easily remember and practice good oral hygiene effectively. 2 minutes of toothbrushing. Brushing teeth for at least 2 minutes is recommended because it allows enough time to effectively clean all tooth surfaces and maintain oral health. It removes more dental plaque. Plaque is a sticky film of bacteria that constantly forms on teeth. If plaque is not removed properly, it can lead to tooth decay and gum disease. Studies show that brushing longer improves plaque removal significantly. Food debris and sugars combine with bacteria to produce acids that attack tooth enamel. Gingivitis begins when plaque remains around the gum line, causing inflammation and bleeding gums. Brushing for 2 minutes allows gentle but thorough cleaning, helping prevent cavities and gingivitis. It ensures fluoride has enough contact time with teeth. Most toothpaste contains fluoride, which strengthens enamel and helps remineralize early decay. Brushing for 2 minutes increases fluoride contact with enamel, improving protection against cavities. It encourages complete and systematic cleaning. The mouth has many surfaces that need attention: outer, inner, and chewing surfaces of upper and lower teeth. 2 minutes promotes a more organized brushing pattern. It reduces the chance of skipping areas and improves overall oral hygiene effectiveness. Twice a day of toothbrushing, morning and night. Brushing teeth twice a day, usually once in the morning and once before bedtime, is strongly recommended by dental professionals because it helps maintain oral health and prevents many dental diseases. Dental plaque continuously forms on teeth throughout the day. Brushing in the morning and before sleeping decreases the amount of acid exposure teeth experience throughout the day and night. Nighttime brushing is especially important because saliva production decreases during sleep, making teeth more vulnerable to acid attacks. If not removed regularly, plaque hardens into tartar, increasing the risk of bleeding gums or gingivitis. It controls bad breath or halitosis. Overnight bacterial growth is a common cause of morning breath. Brushing or cleaning the tongue can help eliminate or reduce bad breath. Research shows that the tongue, particularly the back part, is a major source of VSCs or volatile sulfur compounds, chemicals responsible for oral malodor. Brushing before bedtime reduces bacterial activity during sleep, while morning brushing removes accumulated bacteria and refreshes the breath. Twice a year of dental checkup and cleaning. Regular dental checkups allow early detection and prevention of oral diseases before they become serious or expensive to treat. Routine dental examinations include assessment of the oral tissues, tongue, cheeks, and throat for abnormal changes. Screening for early cavities, gingivitis, oral cancer, and other serious conditions. Many oral problems such as cavities, gum disease, and oral infections begin without pain or obvious symptoms. Dentists can identify these issues early during routine examinations. A small cavity can often be treated with a simple filling instead of a root canal or extraction later. A dentist may notice suspicious white or red lesions during a routine exam that the patient had not recognized. Early detection of oral cancer significantly improves treatment outcomes and survival rates. Professional cleaning removes hardened plaque or tartar. Even with proper brushing and flossing, some plaque hardens into tartar, which cannot be removed effectively at home. Professional dental cleaning helps remove tartar buildup and reduces the risk of tooth decay and gum disease. Reinforcement of good oral hygiene habits and overall health. Dental visits provide education about proper brushing, flossing, diet, fluoride use, and other preventive practices. Children who attend regular dental visits often develop better oral hygiene habits and reduced cavity rates. For recap, 2 minutes of toothbrushing. Twice a day of toothbrushing, morning and night. And twice a year dental visit for checkup and cleaning. Click the subscribe button and notification bell for more oral health education videos.